This is rooted in the divine.
Welcome back to Rooted in the Divine. I want to talk about something I don't think we talk about enough. Sometimes responsibility disguises itself. It doesn't always look heavy. Sometimes it looks like forecasting, running through conversations before they happen, anticipating every possible outcome, thinking 3 or 4 steps ahead, preparing for problems that haven't arrived, facilitating situations before anyone asks, managing everyone else's experience. From the outside, it looks organized, dependable, responsible. Hell, people may even admire it. But inside, your nervous system never got permission to stop scanning. When you're the responsible one, day after day, year after year, the invisible load operates in stealth mode. It quietly becomes a part of your everyday life. The way you think, the way you plan, the way you prepare, the way you move through the world. What we do every day, whether it's physical or mental, our bodies adapt to. They carry it. Over time, you stop noticing the weight because it feels normal until one day you realize the invisible load has been weighing you down all along. That's what I've been learning. The body doesn't just respond to what we do. The body responds to what we continually carry. Carrying doesn't always mean lifting something physically. Sometimes carrying means immediately waking up and thinking about everyone else's needs. It means leaving work, but mentally, you're still there. It means solving tomorrow's problems while you're still experiencing today. It means trying to control situations that were never truly yours to sort out. After enough years, you don't call it carrying anymore. You call it being responsible. That's what makes invisible patterns so difficult to recognize, because you cannot see the pattern if you're inside of it. I know this because I lived it. For a long time, I thought I was simply being responsible. But observation taught me something different. I wasn't only completing responsibilities. I had become responsible for everything. And those are not the same. And when your nervous system believes it has to hold everything together, it never truly rests. Even in the quiet moments, even days you're off work, even when you're sitting still. Notice what happens when you're carrying. Are you fully present? Are you actually here? Or is your mind already at work, already solving the next problem, already thinking about the next conversation, already anticipating problems that haven't arrived? When was the last time you experienced a moment without mentally leaving it? Sometimes the invisible load does more than weigh us down. Sometimes it quietly takes us out of the very moments we're living, and the body follows wherever the mind has gone. So today, I'm not leaving you with something to fix. I'm leaving you with something to observe. What have I been carrying for so long? I no longer notice that I'm carrying it. Because awareness changes things. And once you can see the pattern, recalibration is possible. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Rooted in the Divine. Until next time, keep observing. Your body has been communicating with you all along.